Hello there. This is Bobby. I'm a lawyer in New Jersey, New York, and Florida. And I want to talk to you today quickly, just to give you some insight into what happens if you pass away and don't have a will. Now, there's so many different issues. I'm just going to talk about one of them. If when you pass away, you don't bother to create a will, well, what can happen? It You might cost your inheritance to be escated. That's what they call it, escated to the state, meaning your state may take the money if they can't find a relative, if no one comes forward. Now, usually, if you have children, they're going to know you pass away and probably will say something, and intestacy laws will give it to them or your grandchildren. But what if you don't have children? What if you don't have grandchildren? What happens? Sometimes the money of your estate may really end up going to peripheral relatives like cousins or beyond. But how will they know that it's happening? How will they know that that's what you have to do? And sometimes the government gets involved. The government may appoint a what they call a public administrator. He's going to get paid out of your estate, or she, as the case may be. They may appoint a guardian ad litem. If your relatives do figure it out and they say, wait a minute, that was Uncle Jimmy's or Aunt Josie's money, uh, it shouldn't go to the estate, we should get it. How do they deal with that? What happens? Well, one of the things that's going to happen is the state may say, oh, you know what, before you get any of that money, you're going to have to get an expert genealogist and put together a family tree. Wow. Family tree, that could be expensive.